Do you know that you can make some extra cash online simply by watching TikTok videos on your smartphone? And you don't need to have 1,000 followers on TikTok to get started. Just like you're seeing on the screen, these are people all over the world making money online simply by watching their favorite TikTok videos. And you can do the same thing. All you need is your smartphone and a good internet connection. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a money making website that will pay you to watch TikTok videos. I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can get started. So you want to sit back and watch this video to the very end to understand the process involved. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Chinewa Violet. Here I share information on different ways of making money online. So for more money making videos, join the family by subscribing to the channel. Turn the bell notification on so you get notified instantly when I upload a new video on the channel. To my returning subscribers, you all are welcome back. The first thing you're going to do is to come over to your TikTok account and search for viral videos. All right. So in this case, we are going to search for funny viral videos. So these are viral videos. Okay. So I'm just going to pick one. If you have no idea how to search or how to get viral videos, you can come to Google and type TikTok viral videos and you will have lots of options. You can choose the niche you want and get started. So I'm going to select one funny viral video here. Let me see this one. Okay, I'll choose this particular one here. It says bro doesn't care about her age. So I'll choose this one. This one has like it has 2.2 million likes. I'll pause this video and I'm going to come over to my window here and select snipping 2. This will help crop the part I want. So I'm just going to crop from this part. Down to this part. Next thing we are going to do is to go to Pinterest and create an account. If you already have an account on Pinterest, you have to create a new Pinterest account. So I'm going to create a brand new Pinterest account. Now I've created a new Pinterest account. So what we are going to do is to come over to here. They said create pin. All right. Now to create this pin, we are going to come over to Canva and click on create design and type Pinterest pin. So the next thing is to go to our upload the screenshot we took from on TikTok. So what we're going to do, we're going to drag this here and try to align it. So what I'm going to do is to come over to text and take this heading and I'm going to type watch now. Let me change I'm going to change the color of this thing. I'm going to change these fonts. Okay. I'll change the color to red. And what I'm going to do next is to download this. I'm going to download in JPG and click on download. And then we'll come over to Pinterest. This is a brand new Pinterest account and I'm going to click on this upload button here to upload the image. Now this is the image. So what I'm going to do is to add a title. I'm going to say funny video. And then tell everyone what your pin is about. So I'm just going to say it's a funny video. I'll put in brackets. Bro doesn't care about her age. And I'll close the bracket. Okay, I can decide to put an emoji. All right, and then add alternative text. If you have any other alternative, you can put it there. Add a destination link. The destination link is the link to this video. All right, we are going to go to TikTok and copy this link. We want to make money through this link. So what we are going to do is to come over to this website called shrinkme.io to shorten it so that we can start making money once people clicks on the link and watch the video. To sign up, you can use the link down in the description to create an account on this website. All right, so to sign up, you just have to click on register, put your username, your email, your password, you enter password, and tick the I'm not a robot, agree to the terms and condition, and register. It is free to sign up. I'm going to log in now. So as you can see, these are the people that are making money on this site. Okay, these are the people making money on this website. You can see this one has made $17, $5, $41, $26, $10, $175. You can do the same thing as well. So now to shorten the link, you click on new shorten link. And then we are going to come over to TikTok, our TikTok account, and copy this link. Come over to the same account, paste this link here, and click on shorten. We are going to copy this shortened URL here and come to our Pinterest and then paste it here. Okay, this is your destination link. Once people clicks on this link and watch this video on TikTok, shrinkme.io will pay you. You start making money on this site. We need to publish this pin. We're going to create a board. It's asking us to create a board. So we're going to say funny video. Click on create. And then we are going to click on save. So our pin is live. We've published our pin and it is live. So once people clicks on the destination link, you'll start making money on this app, shrinkme.io, because of the shortened link. Shrinkme will pay you for people clicking on your destination link to watch the video on TikTok. If you click on the link yourself to watch the video on TikTok, you will not get paid. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you enjoy watching this video, please kindly give this video a thumbs up, okay, so that YouTube can share this video to more people to watch and get value from it. If you're new, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and join the family for more content like this. All right, thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.